Summers County celebrated new recreational opportunities today with a ribbon cutting ceremony officially opening the new road to the boat launching facilities on Bluestone Lake. Representatives from Bluestone Park and the West Virginia State Parks discussed the impact that these parks have on the local economy.
There's over 7 million people that come to our parks in a year. Um, that's throughout the state. And of that 7 million people, they spend over $250 million annually into the community, into our parks and so forth. It's a lot of money being put back into our state. And this is a good investment for Bluestone State Park. I think our guests that come to Bluestone are going to very much appreciate this. I hope they bring their boats and feel more comfortable getting in and out of the lake there.
We're looking at upgrading our cabins. Pipe Stem is also getting their cabins upgraded. Their lodge rooms are going to be upgraded in the near future. Brett was telling me the other day that they're going to be putting in a zip line up through there. They're working with Ace Adventure trying to get things in.
All right, everybody ready? 1, 2, 3.
Good deal.
Here, we'll cut
Good
your piece
deal.
and let you say it.
Wonderful.